Welcome to my vlog! Miss na ubi ang mata, miss na ubi.
Parang old town tong ruda nito.
Welcome to my vlog!
Ayan po, nandito tayo ngayon sa Oceanside. Sobrang init. Ayan, dahil naliligo. Dahil naliligo. May ginaganap po ditong competition, Hawaiian dance competition. Walang nagsa-surfing dahil masyadong durog yung alon, saka malaki yung alon, no? Mataas. Tingnan nyo. Etong ginaganap kong competition dito. Every year ito may competition po dito.
Fulfilling the responsibility that Hinanui and many Miss and Mr. Havas before her have fulfilled. I'll speak for my sister who's not here. She was a contestant in 2016.
Again, vendor.
Your vendor?
And her
Yeah.
experience has
Talk to
changed
that
her
table
life.
and see if they'll let you in.
I'll speak for my niece who's also present here. She was Miss Hava San Diego 2014. The experience has changed her life, Miss Salamasina George. So I encourage dancers, please think about it. Please think about going for Miss Hava San Diego. It is a
Again, come here.
life-changing experience. You will learn much more.
Again, a vendor.
I promise you that. So think about
Yeah.
it, okay?
Vendor?
Yep.
Yeah.
Hold on a moment because I
Okay, I'm gonna get my
wristband.
badge. The
All right.
what was
So,
the
ladies and gentlemen,
bracelet?
we're
Your
gonna move into round.
wristband.
Yeah.
And the winner is
Yan, hanggang bukas po kami dito. Mag-aano pa po kami. Kukunin ko lang ho yung badge, yung yung tag para makapasok sa loob.
I met you on the bus.
Ayan o yung namin, no. Ayan, dito po tayo. Dito tayo nakapwesto. Marami pang tao. Ito yung kukunin natin, oh, para makapasok tayo sa loob. Kakabit tayo ng ano, ayan, pinabit na natin, oh. Iba Hawaiian, ano ito, Hawaiian competition. Ayan, makakapasok na tayo kasi meron tayong ano, badge. Balik tayo sa loob. Ay, may music na. Uy! 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 Ah, niluto ko yung ano mo, yung ribs mo. Ayan, papasok na tayo sa loob. Kinulang natin yung ating bracelet para makapasok tayo sa loob. Kanina daming tao po niya, no? Ngayon wala na kasi aras matatapos na yan. Pero bukas uli ang ano niyan, 8-2 yan. Marami pa magsasayaw dyan mamaya. Dami pa rin palang tao. Pero mas marami yung kanina, ho. Diyos ko, halos hindi kayo makalakad dyan, eh. Ang dami, oh. Yung nasa taas niya, puro hotel ho yan. Nasa Oceanside po tayo. Yan. Titingnan lang natin to. Ayan yung mga nagsasayaw. Ayan yung kasali sa competition. Hawaiian dance po ang competition dito. Ayan. Akit tayo sa taas para makita niyo yung location nito. Akit po tayo sa taas. Marami pa tao. Wala ko kukunti na lang, madami pa pala. Ayan, oh. Mga nag-aabang ho yan. Pero bukas pa ang ano, awarding. Ayan, o. Yan po sila. Diyan ginaganap yun, o. Hanggang mamayang alas 8 pa ho yan. Hanggang 8 o'clock.
is not a light responsibility. It is not. It is a responsibility of every day.
Yan ang ano niyan. Na ano na natin to last time.
Give her a round of applause. A wonderful opportunity to give it for a great good. We have some other Mr. and Miss Havens from years before who are present. You'll see them around. Some of them are wearing their sashes.
Ang daming naliligo. Naliligo dahil sobrang init nga ho. Ganda sa dulo. Ang tao dito, oh. Mga nagpipicture.
Thank you for watching.